I'm bored. There's nothing to do.
I'm so emo.
Let's go to Candy Mountain, Jazzy. Candy Mountain.
No.
No. Hey, look. It's a magical washing machine of joy.
Oh. Good. And look! No Candy Mountain setting.
Fiddlesticks.
Let's see where it goes.
Hey, what's this button?
Kiba, no!
They hoping that they gon' catch me riding dirty. Tryna 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 catch me riding dirty. See if they can see me.
I like this setting.
You would.
So you will. Why you bugging?
What?
You got the hookup cash money, G. You better stop bling blinging in that heezy or I'm gonna bust a cap in your jiggly.
Do you even know what you're saying?
Fizzle.
Right. So, anyhow, where are we?
I think we're in France, maybe.
Oh, okay.
Ole, 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 ole.
Love is like a bomb, 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 bomb.